welcome to Cooking with Kyra. I'm Kyra and this is my daughter Ellie. Hi! Today we'll be making Valentine cocoa bombs, but first we'll read a story. Today's story is called Hug Machine by Scott Campbell. Whoa! Here I come! I am the Hug Machine.
I'm very good at hugging. The best at hugging.
No one can resist my unbelievable hugging. I am the Hug Machine.
My hugs calm people down. They cheer them up.
They make them go completely nuts. I am the Hug Machine.
I hug everything I see.
A fire hydrant, a bench, a mailbox. No one escapes the Hug Machine.
My hugs make the biggest feel small.
The smallest feel big.
I hug soft things, hard things,
Square things, long things. I am the Hug Machine.
Oh, do you need a hug? I think you do.
Hug accomplished. There is nothing the Hug Machine will not hug.
What about me? I am so spiky. No one ever hugs me.
They are missing out. A nice hug for the porcupine.
What about me? Surely I'm too big for you to hug.
What do you think? Do you think it's too big?
No.
Not for the Hug Machine. Of course not. Not for the Hug Machine.
People often ask what the Hug Machine eats to keep the hugging energy high.
Well, the answer is pizza. The Hug Machine likes pizza very much. I also like pizza very much. Do you?
Refueled and ready for action. Hug, 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 hug.
Hug, 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 hug. Hug!
Phew! What a tiring day of hugging. Hugging Machine is exhausted.
Hug Machine can hug no more.
Oh, but yes, you may hug the Hug Machine. Hug Machine is always open for business.
The end. All right, friends, welcome back. Now that we've read our story, we're going to go over the ingredients that you should have received in your bag from the New Lenox Public Library. First, you'll see a heart-shaped mold, silicone mold. Next, you should have a packet of cocoa mix, a container of sprinkles, and then you should have 4 bags of melting wafers, 1 red, 1 white, 1 pink, and 1 chocolate. In addition to the ingredients from your bag, you will need some things from home as well. You will need 4 spoons, 1 for each color. And you will also need 4 microwave-safe bowls and a baking sheet. Before we sign off, we are going to first put our chocolate, let me grab mine too, our chocolate melting wafers into our largest bowl. And then we're going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds, take it out and mix it, put it in for another 15 seconds, take it out and mix it, and then continue to put it in 10-second intervals and mix it in between until we've got a smooth consistency that we can use in our silicone mold. And we'll be right back with that. All right, friends, we've got our chocolate wafers nice and melted. I'm gonna give you a spoon and I'm gonna take a spoon. We did wash our silicone molds beforehand, so make sure that yours are washed and clean. And then we're going to take a scoop of our chocolate and we're going to put it in the bottom of our mold. And what we want to do is we want to fill the bottom and then lift the chocolate up on the sides of the mold. While leaving the bottom of the mold covered. You use the back of your spoon, so you put it in the bottom and then you push it up with the back of your spoon like this. Go around. And then once you've got your sides and your bottom nice and coated, you're going to pop this into your freezer for about 10 minutes and let the chocolate set. And then once it sets, we'll come back and we'll pop it out of the mold and we'll use the mold again to make the top of the chocolate mold. All right, friends, so we put our bottom of the heart and sides into the freezer, for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we carefully pulled the silicone mold away from the chocolate. Mine did kind of break in a couple of places, but that's okay. So now we're going to set those off to the side and we're going to use the chocolate that we have left and we're just going to coat the bottom of the silicone mold. If you need to put your chocolate back into the into the microwave for 10 seconds, you can do that. Just to kind of get it a little more melty if yours has solidified too much. But we're just coating the bottom this time. We're not doing the sides. Alright, so I've got the bottom of mine nice and coated. Do you need some help spreading yours out?
Yeah.
You can get it on the sides a little bit. Take your spoon. So we're just pushing the chocolate into the sides of the mold. Just so that the bottom is nice and covered. Hard to get this chocolate out. It's solidifying the chocolate. All right. So we've got this one done. I'm going to have my off-camera person put these in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. And while he's doing that, we're going to fill
I like mine because
our
it
mold.
breaks. Mine always breaks. It didn't break this time.
If yours did break a little, that's all right. No worries. It's still gonna taste good. Yep, tear across the top, and then we're just gonna pour in the contents of the bag. It looks like it all fits, yeah.
This is a big cocoa bomb.
It is a big cocoa bomb.
I don't know if this will fit in our mugs.
All right, then we can toss that, and then now we're going to melt these additional wafers in the different colors. Again, 30 seconds, take it out, stir it. 15 seconds, take it out, stir it, and then 10 seconds, take it out, stir it for as long as it takes to get a nice smooth consistency. And then when we come back, we'll put everything together. All right, friends. So now we're back, and we've got the top or bottom of our heart that we're ready to pop out of the mold. So we just kind of stretch it out of place. Oh, mine broke.
Like that?
Yeah, like right in half.
Oh. It's okay, we'll do it.
Oh, yep. Pretty bad. Yours was perfect. All right.
Not quite.
So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of this white melting chocolate because it's still melty. And I'm going to glue my pieces to the top with the white melting chocolate.
Mine doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit. It doesn't. Well,
Mine will be glued here. Or on top of the things. It's
yeah,
okay,
you
mine
could do
doesn't
that.
need to be glued.
But you gotta put it in. Mine's not gonna be perfect. Look, see?
I'm not even gluing mine.
You're not gluing yours? You gotta put it in though.
Like, what about the marshmallows? No, not the marshmallows. What else
How
are we
did
adding?
they happen? Like that? Maybe?
Maybe.
The tops don't fit quite right. So that's a bit of an issue.
But I would recommend if yours comes out better than hers, just put it on top of the hot cocoa.
Yes. So mine broke, but that's okay. I just put it on the inside, right on top of my hot cocoa, and so did Ellie. So now, it was your idea. It was a great idea. Good job. Now we're going to take our different colors and we're going to just drizzle them over the top of our cocoa bomb.
Got a lot of pink there. That's pink for me.
Whoop, sorry. Take this red.
I'll take this white.
Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Here, move yours closer to the middle.
Whoa, drizzle, 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 drizzle. Whoa.
And then I'll do my pink.
And then I'll do my red.
Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Once you have all of your colors, you can go ahead and sprinkle your sprinkles on top.
Red drizzles really well.
You don't have to use them all.
I want to use all mine.
Okay. That's excessive, but all right. It'll be like it'll explode when you put it in. Okay, now we're going to pop these in the freezer for a couple of minutes, not too long. And while we do that, we're going to heat up some milk in the microwave. You just heat it up very slowly until it's just steaming. And then we'll get our mugs together and we'll try our cocoa bombs. All right, friends, we're back. We've got our hot cocoa bombs.
Oh. I was about to say I don't want them to fall out.
And we're gonna put them into our cups, and they don't fit. So we gotta smush them in a little.
Yeah, just
Your mugs might be a little bit bigger than ours.
They just need a little push.
Just need a little push, yeah. All right, put it in. Okay. And then we've got our warmed up milk. I'm gonna start pouring mine in.
Just a little push. I like the part where I break it. It's not anger.
Right, put yours on here, just in case I spill, which is likely.
Likely.
You don't need to say it. Just me. Thanks.
You're welcome.
All right. And mix it all together. Gently.
Hardly.
Gently.
Hardly.
Ooh, I see my marshmallows coming up.
I don't see my marshmallow.
Well, oh, I forgot to put marshmallows in your bag.
What?
Just kidding. It came in the bag from the Blaze. The Swiss Miss.
They came in the bag from the place.
Yeah, you heard what I said. Alright. Now I got it mixed up.
Oh, now I got my skin.
Oh, man. Alright, you ready? Are we cheersing?
We're sipping, like.
Cheers.
We're sipping.
What? No,
Pinky's
cheers.
out.
Not yet. Now Pinky's out.
Pretty good.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, friends. Thanks for hanging out with us on Cooking with Kyra and for making a delicious treat that hopefully warms your heart. We'll see you next month. Bye, friends.
Bye.